the energy, the passion, and the positivity, it really just makes a really wonderful environment to work in.
The residents here at the Moran Eye Center get a really unique learning experience. There's the surgical training, which I think is probably the best in the country. There's the global ophthalmology experience. And then we also have a number of avenues for our residents to pursue funded research. Beyond that is the academic faculty who are uniquely committed and invested in our residents.
Everyone here is really fully devoted to make sure that our trainees are successful physicians and surgeons that are doing good for other people.
To perform surgery on the eyes, it's an incredibly delicate and technical and challenging task. And so you really want to be in a place where you're working one-on-one with some of the best surgeons in the country and the world.
We start out teaching you surgery from almost the moment that you get here, and that starts in the wet lab, but then we get you into the operating room because that's really where you're going to learn.
Our residents graduate here on average with at least 300 cataract surgeries as primary surgeon. But beyond that, it's not just numbers, it's efficiency, it's elegance, it's technique. We are perfectionists with our surgery.
The techniques that have been imprinted on them through thousands and thousands of hours of training flow through them into you, and that's just an incredible opportunity.
We need and want you from day one to start engaging. Global eye health, it's as infused and a part of our culture as training a resident surgically. A typical resident may go to Tanzania, they may go to Nepal, because ultimately we need you to have the impact on eye health for the world that you uniquely can.
In partnership with the residents, we completely revised our entire didactic curriculum to make it more of this flipped classroom approach. The residents get to participate in their own education. They're not just passive learners, they really are active learners in the process.
It's just such a supportive environment. Right from the beginning, it was really apparent that people wanted me to be successful, not just as a physician, but also as a person. I just feel so fortunate that I'm able to be in a place where we're all truly best friends.
Our residents here are some of the most happy residents in the country. You feel included, you feel supported, you're one of us.